I'm going to chant an ancient Vedic text here, just a short part of it, called the Rudram. It's a very powerful text, and often they'll use this text while they're doing sacrificial fires. The air here is a little thinner, so I can usually chant a lot longer on one breath than here. 6,000 feet above sea level. Gananam tva ganapatiga havamahe kavim kavinamupamashravastamam jeshtarajam brahmanam brahmanaspata nashvin vandutibhisida sadhanam. Om namo bhagavate rudraya, om namaste rudramanyava utote shave namaha, namaste astu dhanavane bahubhyam utate namaha. Yata ishu shivatama shivam babhuvate danuhu shivasharabhyaya tavatayano rudramridaya. Yate rudra shivatanura gora papakashini tayanastanu girishanta bichakashihi. Yamishun girishanta haste bibarashastave Shivangiri truttam kurumahi gossi purusham jagata shivena dvachasa tva girisha chavadamasi Yathana sarvami jagada yakshmago sumana asata Adhyavocha dadhi vakta pratamo daivyo bhishaka Ahigoscha sarva anjambayan sarva aschayatu dhanyaha Asso yastamro aruna utababru sumangalaha Ye che magarudra abito dikshu shrita sahasrasho vaishag Heda imahe asoyo vasarapatini lagriva vilohitaha Utainam gopa adrishan adrishan daharyaha Utainam vishva bhutani sadrishtom hridayatinaha Namo astu nilagrivaya sahasrakshaya midushe Atto ye asya satvano ham tebhyo karam namaha Pramuncha dhanavanastrwamubayo rartniyorjyam yaschate hasta ishabha parata bhagavo vapa avatatya darushtvagam sahasrakshashate shude nishirya shalya namuka shivo nasumanabhava vijjam dhanuka paradino vishalyo banavaga utta anneshan nasyeshava abhurasya nishangatihi Yate hetiramidushtamahasthe babhuvate danuhu Tayasman vishvatasvamayakshmaya paribhujja Namaste astvayudayana tataya drishnave Ubabhyam utate namo pahubhyam tavadanavane Parite danavano hetirasman vrinaktu vishvataha Attoya ishudistabare asman nidehitam Namaste astu bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Triambakaya Tripurantakaya Trikalagnikalaya Kalagni Rudraya Nilakantaya Mrityunjayaya Sarveshwaraya Sadashivaya Shriman Mahadevaya Namaha